Okay, good morning to Ananda. This is Srinakanda, working as a group from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Satyaradi Karvati Engineering. Today we will discuss about the third in topics, logic concepts. Logic concepts, introduction to logic concepts. Third in topics are introduction to logic concepts, propositional calculus, propositional logic, natural deduction system, axiomatic system, semantic table system in propositional logic, resolution in propositional logic, predicate logic. Okay, logic circuit, logic concept, introduction. Logic concepts in the introduction. Introduction. Here, propositional calculus means PC refers to a language of proposition in which a set of rules are used to combine simple propositions to form compound propositions. Okay, simple propositions to form compound propositions with the help of certain logical operations. Certain logical operations. Here, these logical operators are often called connectivity. Connectives. These are called connectives. Here, examples of some connectives are not, and, are, imply, equivalence. Okay, these are the examples of connectivity. Not, and symbol, and are symbol implies equivalence. Here, a well-defined formula is defined as a symbol or a string of symbols generated by the formal grammar of a formal language. Formal grammar of a formal language. Okay, a well-defined formula is defined as a symbol or a string of symbols generated by the formal grammar of a formal language. Formal language of a formal grammar of a formal language. Their first topic, propositional logic. Okay, propositional logic, next logic, proposition calculus. Here, properties of a well-formed formula in proposition calculus. The smallest unit or an atom is considered to be a well-formed formula. If alpha is a well-formed formula, then negate alpha is a well-formed formula. If alpha and beta are well-formed formula, then alpha and b, alpha or b, alpha implies b, beta, the alpha equivalents beta are also well formed form. Are also well formed form. Here we have propositional calculus truth table. Example truth table. In propositional calculus, a truth table is used to provide operational definitions of important logical operators. Important logical operators. The logical conditions are true and false, which are represented by T and F, true and false. Okay. Let us assume A, B, and C, and so on. A, B, C, and extra are proposition symbols. For example, A to Z. A true, B true, not symbol, not A equal to false. A equal to false. A true, then negative equal to false. A true, then negative is false. A false, then not equal to true. A false, not equal to true. Okay. Both A and B are true. A, B are true. A true, B. Then A and B is remaining all cases false. Okay. A true, B true. Then A and B is true. A true, B false. Then A and B false. A false, B true. Then A and B false. Both A, B are false. A false, B false. Then A and B is false. Okay. Next, coming to ARB. A and B both are false. A false, B false. Then ARB is false. Otherwise, true. Remaining all cases true. Okay. Here true, true. Then ARB true. True, false. ARB true. False, true. ARB true. Both A is false, B is false. AB are false. Then ARB false. A false, B false. Then ARB false. And next come to A implies B. A true, B true. Then A plus B true. True, false. Then A plus B false. False, true. True. False, false. True. Next A plus B. A plus means A is equal to B. A equal to B is equal to. So A equal to B. So A equivalence B equal to true. Then true, false, 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 true, false, false, false. Both are same. So true. This is the truth table. Okay. Right. Another example. Compute the truth table of sulfur. That is A or B and negate B implies A. Using truth table approach. Here solution. Using the truth table approach, here solution using the truth table approach, compute truth table values of A or B and negate B implies A, and then compute for the final expression A or B and negate B implies A. Here A value is true, true, false, false, B true, false, true, false, A or B. A or B means both are false, 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 then A or B false. Otherwise, true one. Remaining all cases A true, B true, then A or B true. A true, B false, then A or B true. A false, B true, then A or B true. Both are false, A false, B false, then A or B. And next, negate B. B true, negate B false, false, true, true, false, false, true. Negate B implies A. Negate B implies A. False, true, 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 false, false, true, true, false, false. Okay. Final alpha. Alpha means ARB and negate B implies here. ARB ARB and negate B implies here. Using and symbol. True, true, true. Okay. True, true, true. True, true, true. False, false, false. Solution, true, 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 false. Okay, this is example two. We have different equivalence laws. Name of the name of relation, equivalence relation. Okay. Commutative law. ARB that is equal to BRA. A and B that is equal to B and A. Equivalence relation. Associative law. AR BRC that is equal to ARB RC. A and B and C that is equal to A and B and C. Double negation law. Negate of negate A that is equal to A. Negation of negation A that is equal to A. Next, distributed loss. Distributed loss. AR, B and C that is equal to ARB and ARC. A and BRC that is equal to A and B or A and C. And next, De Morgan loss. Negate A or B that is equal to negate A or negate B. Negate A and B that is equal to negate A or negate B. Next, absorption loss. Absorption loss. A and B that equal to A and A or B that equal to A or negate A and B that equal to A or B. A and negate A or B that equal to A and B. Okay. Idempotency loss. Next, idempotency. A or A that equal to A and B, A and A that equal to A. Next, excluded middle law. A or negate A that equal to T. That means true. A and negate A that equal to F. That is false. Sorry. This is extended middle law is A or negate A equal to true. That is extended law. True. Contradiction law. A and negate A that equal to F. False. Okay. And next coming to commonly used equivalence relations. Commonly used equivalence relations. A or F equal to A. A or T equal to T. A and T equal to A. A and F equal to F. A implies B that is equal to negate A or B. A equivalence B that is equal to A implies B and B implies A that is equal to A and B or negate A and negate B. These are the equivalent class. Proportional calculus. Okay. Here, propositional calculus. Another example. Let us verify the absorption law. A or A and B, that is equal to A using the truth table approach. A, true, 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 false, 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 true, true, false, 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 false. A and A or B. True, 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 false, true, false, 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 false. Okay. Here, propositional calculus. Here, what is propositional logic? Here, propositional logic is a simple form of logic, which also known as Boolean logic. Right? Here, a proposition has truth values 0 and 1. Here, which means it can have one of the two values, that is true or false. Okay? True or false. It is the most basic and widely used logic. This logic is used for the development of powerful search algorithms, including implementation methods, mathematically logical operators combine propositions to make other propositions by some specific rules. Their proposition logic is used in artificial intelligence for planning, problem solving, decision control, and most importantly for decision making. It is all about Boolean functions and the statements where there are more than just true and false values. Includes the certainty as well as uncertainty. It led to the foundation for machine learning model. It is a useful tool for reasoning, but it has limitations because it cannot see inside proposition and take advantage of relationships among them. relationships among them. Okay. Here, propositional calculus is a formal language that an artificial agent uses to describe its word. There is always a possibility of confusing the informal languages of mathematics and of English with the formal language of the propositional calculus itself. Here we have example. We have different laws. Very, very important. Note down. Name of the relation, equivalence relation. Okay. Here we know. So how logic is used to represent knowledge? The simple form of logic is propositional logic. That is propositional logic. Also called Boolean logic. Here facts can be expressed as simple proposition. Here a proposition can have one of two values. True or false. These are known as truth values. Okay. Here a proposition or its negation or a group of statements under their negation connected by certain connectors. Okay. When a statement cannot be logically broken into smaller statements, it is called atomic. Atomic. It is raining and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the president of India. Okay. Our proposition whose values true, P or false F, depend on the situation or the time. The first statement may or may not be true. Now, depending upon the whether the second was true, till he laid down his office. Here, a proposition which is true under all circumstances is called tautology. For example, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay. A proposition which is false under all circumstances is called contradiction. For example, Amritsar is the capital of India. Is correct? Actually, proposition logic or propositional calculus or even propositional logic is a symbolic logic for manipulating proposition. Manipulating proposition. The word calculus has to do nothing with calculus invented by Newton and Leibniz. Okay. Here, calculus is a Latin word meaning a little store used for calculus. Statement calculus and sentinel calculus are also used for proposition logic. Statements which cannot be answered absolutely are called open statements. For example, garlic tastes wonderful. It is an open statement because it is true for some people and not true for others. Here, consider another example. She is beautiful. It is open state because it contains a variable she. Okay. Truth values cannot be assigned to open sentences until we know the specific person or instance referred to by the variable. Here, okay, another difficulty with this sentence is the meaning of the word beautiful. What beautiful? Some people think, others may not. This ambiguity in the word beautiful can neither be handled by proposition logic nor predicate logical, but by fuzzy logic. Syntax. The syntax of proposition logic defines not allowable sentences are found. We will use uppercase names for symbols, P, Q, R, and so on, and etc., which represent propositions and can be true or false. They are chosen arbitrarily. Okay. There are two proposition symbols with different meaning. True is always true proposition, and false is always false proposition. Complex sentences are constructed from such simpler sentences using logical connectives. There are 5 connectors in common use. Not symbol, not, that is not, and, are, not, and, are, implies, okay. equivalent. Okay. Properties of propositional logic statement. A statement is a sentence that two terms have been used interchangeably. When a statement cannot be logically broken into smaller steps, it is called atomic. We have some properties. Satisfiable. Satisfiable means a atomic propositional formula is satisfiable if there is an interpretation for which it is true in the given table, any table, ARB is satisfiable for first three proposition formulas. Okay. Next, tautology. Tautology means a propositional formula is valid or a tautology. It is true for all positional, all possible interpretations. Next, contradiction. Contradiction means a propositional formula is contradictory, unsatisfiable if there is no interpretation for which it is true. For example, Amritsar is the capital of India. In any table, here ARB is unsatisfiable for the row 4. Next, contingent. The contingent statement is one which is neither a tautology nor a contradiction. If a conditional is also a tautology, then it is called an implication. Okay, and has a symbol. It is the symbol implication. In place of implies. Yeah. Biconditional, which is also a tautology, is called a logical equivalence or material equivalence, symbolized as equivalence or material equivalence. That means, okay, two statements which are logically equivalent always have the same truth value. Okay, these are the examples. And next, validity and satisfiability are connected. Here A is valid if not A is unsatisfied. Okay. Contrapositively, A is satisfiable if not A is not valid. This leads to A usable digit, B not equal to A not equal to B, if and if, and sentence A and not B is unsatisfiable. Okay, this is the example. And next example, this is another example. A or B and not B implies A. These are the equivalence laws, very, very important equivalence laws. Commutative law, associative law, double negation, distributive laws, De Morgan laws, absorption laws, idempotence law, excluded middle law, contradiction law, and commonly used equivalence relation. Okay, these equivalence laws very important table. Okay. Okay, this is the equivalence law. Okay. The equivalence. Okay. This is the example. Another example. Very important topic in third in propositional calculus. Okay. Propositional. Okay. Not. For the conclude is not and or plus equivalence. Okay. This is the propositional calculus. Okay. These are the examples. And another example. Decline class and another example. Okay. Okay, thank you to Ananga.